Thanks to the volcanoes, the rainforests here are more robust than those further south. So these crested macaques have a rich and varied diet. There's so much fruit that they can live in troops over 100 strong. With so many living side by side, communication is an essential part of keeping the peace. These are the most sociable macaques in the world. They can spend hours grooming each other. Sulawesi is this region's most extraordinary island. It's an ancient land of stowaways, torn from different worlds, ruled by the Earth's raw power.